Hi, my name is Jason with AlarmSystemStore.com. Today's video is a quick one on how to change user codes on the Interlogix NetworX control panels. If you haven't already, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. The more subscribers we get, the more people we can reach about DIY security. So let's go ahead and go to the table and we'll get started. To change user codes and the master code, you'll use *5. So we'll enter *5 here. And then you need to enter the master code. Default master code is just 1234. Then you're going to enter a 3-digit user ID code. So it's going to be 001 through 040. So there's a total of 40 different user codes. By default, the master code is actually user code 1. So if we wanted to change the master code, you just enter 001 and then you enter a new code. So you can see here what's already entered. Let's enter 4321. It'll then immediately go back. You can enter another code. So let's say we want to add a user code 002 and let's change it to 6789. And you'll just keep repeating that process for every user code you want to use. Once you're finished, you can just hit pound and that takes you right back out. To change the installer code, you actually have to go into programming. So you'll go *8 followed by your installer code, which is 9713. And then you need to enter the device address, which is going to be 0 followed by pound. And then you need to enter the location number, which will be location 42. So here each number in the code is going to be a segment, so you can see what's entered currently. Let's just change it to 3179. So 3 and then *1 *7 *9 There's additional numbers after that in case you're using longer codes. By default, you're just using 4-digit codes. So you can just hit pound or * a couple more times and that'll take you back out. And then exit twice to get out of programming. And so now we can test this. So let's go into *5. By default it was 1234. You can see that doesn't work anymore. We changed it to 4321. To test it, just to show that it worked, we can try them out. So let's test the master code by using *5. And then we change it to 4321. And that gets us in, so that's good. So then *8, again it was 9713, we changed it to 3179. And that gets us in. So it's a pretty easy process right there. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.